everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am joined by my sweet neighbor Callie.
Hello.
And we are out making some homegrown flower arrangements in preparation for New Year's Eve. Can you believe 2021 is...
It's been so long.
It's been a long, crazy year. Hopefully 2022 is...
It's not even crazier.
Right. I mean, because it kind of feels like since 2020, every year gets crazier, doesn't it? Hopefully the pandemic will...
go away.
Yeah.
It's gone too far.
It's gone too far. Exactly. So, we have gathered a bunch of stuff because Callie made the brilliant suggestion.
I'm making a flower rainbow arrangement.
Exactly. And we've done pretty good, Callie. So, what do you think? We've got
This can be a red.
red. We didn't really have orange.
So we can use this out of orange.
Okay, and sniff that.
Yeah.
This is the winter honeysuckle. Our red, by the way, is Prunus Mume Matsubura red.
And let me tell you, Miss Bree was going crazy about the pink.
That's right. I have so much that's pink in bloom, including
She got
this.
she got 3 pinks.
That's right. We have Bonita, Prunus Mume, and then this soft whitish pink. That's Bridal Veil, Prunus Mume. And then we had another Prunus, right?
And we have yellow.
That's right. That is Jasminum nudiflorum.
We should probably get out of the pink and go to the different colors too.
Right. Well, it's just we're in a pink time of year. It matches your. Look at how this Prunus matches your pants and your shoes.
But this one matches it more.
It does. So this is Prunus subhirtilla autumnalis rosea.
You're not even the pink version.
I'm in green, right? And then we have some.
Miss Bree has become a flower.
Do I have a flower in my hair?
Yeah, you have a bloom flower.
Oh, nice. It's a Prunus Mume.
She will bloom soon. She
That's
will
right.
becoming a bloom person.
I think I did, you know.
And now it's dead.
So then for greenery, we have a couple different things, including, I love this because it lasts a really long time as
And
a
I
cup.
like this one because like it's green, but it has like this white outline that makes it stand out.
That's right, that's called variegation. And this is an alstroemeria that lasts for a really long time in
On
cut
water.
arrangements.
In
You love
water.
it? In water. And then what else did we get? We got some mustard, Ms. America.
Can I eat it?
You can, but it's really spicy. I don't think you'd like it. And some kale. And you can eat the kale.
But is it spicy?
The kale is not spicy. Whereas the Ms. America tastes a little bit like horseradish. It's really spicy. She gave a funny face. Turn to the camera and give your horseradish face. So now we are going to get busy making flower arrangements so that you can take some home.
And you should come with us.
That's right. So we're going to show them how we're doing it. We just have to go get some vases.
Follow us to the vase country even though we don't know where it is.
All right, let's go get some water. So Callie, what are your favorite flowers?
This lettuce.
Okay. You want another kale?
I think that's it.
All right. Now, what do you think?
Good.
Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Okay.
I like that it looks Chinese.
It does look Chinese inspired. You know why? All of these plants are from Asia. Okay, you hold it, and then I'm gonna take your picture.
Yeah, this is pretty.
Well, you can see we harvested a lot of beautiful stuff that's blooming today on December 30th. And now I am going to get to put these into vases, bring them into the house because my New Year's Eve plans just got canceled courtesy of COVID, and I am now going to celebrate New Year's here at home with no germs, surrounded by beautifully fragrant flowers that I have grown. So far, I'm really liking these 3 smaller arrangements. This one with Alstroemeria, Jasminum nudiflorum, and Ms. America mustard. This one here with all different varieties of Prunus mume. And this one of my all-time favorite vases, has Arum italicum leaves right here, 1 kale leaf, and winter honeysuckle and Prunus mume bridal's veil. But I really didn't like the big arrangement that was in this vase. So I've separated those elements, and I want to show you what I have collected from the garden that I know will hold up really well as an indoor flower arrangement. So there's a lot of different options for making arrangements in the winter. I like to use colorful stems like these from Acer palmatum sangukaku. Of course, flowers. This is Matsubura red Prunus mume. This is Bonita Prunus mume. I like big, bold leaves. These are actually just leaves from broccoli. This is a great broadleaf evergreen for the landscape, but also holds up really well in flower arrangements. This is Pittosporum heterophyllum. Now, another thing that I like to use because it lasts so long is this equisetum. Now remember, this can be really invasive. I grow it in a pot with no holes, that way it can't escape. Another one of my favorites is the forest pussy willows, and this is the Japanese pink pussy willow called Mount Aso. And here, more flowers. This is the Prunus subhirtilla autumnalis rosea. And finally, another great broadleaf evergreen. This is Distilium. And actually, in a few weeks, this will start to flower. These have kind of burgundy to red blooms that I love to use for flowers, but also just as filler for large vases. One of the challenges of making arrangements in big vases like this is just, keeping everything straight. And there's, you can use a frog and put that in and stick the stems into that. There's even cool like wire things that you can put across here and it'll just hold the stems in place. I haven't taken the effort to find any of those. So hopefully today what I'm gonna do is actually just make the framework by using some of these larger stems of the Prunus mume, and that will act as the base, and then when I put the filler in, it'll all hold steady. So fingers crossed it all works out. Now I just couldn't really see using that greenery, so I may have to go in and get another vase. But I love how this arrangement came out now. It's just really simple with the willow and maple branches and the various branches from the Prunus, different Prunus species. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to go outside and harvest some branches from things growing in your garden and make some happy New Year's arrangements to celebrate the coming of 2022. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel. Wishing you all the best in the year ahead. Stay healthy, stay happy, and be kind. Thanks for watching, everybody.